Okay, to start the back of the train, this can be a little bit tricky because the train does not give you an overall height or a length for the lines of the side of the train. So we have to kind of extrapolate that from the dimensions that are given to us. So what I like to do is start off with a rectangle. And we know from looking at it that that center point for that hole and what will become the arc later is 1 inch to the halfway point. So that would make our overall dimension for the width of the back of the train to be 2 inches. So we can draw that in there. And I know that I'm going to have an arc. So I can, before I do anything here, I can just draw in an arc. So I know I'm going to have an arc from there to there, somewhere along those lines. Now, I am going to go ahead and just trim away this top piece because that is not part of our train. And when I do that, you just have to make sure, because when you do that, now there's nothing, that line was stopping the height for these. So you just have to make sure that you make your sides of your, what used to be a rectangle, equal so that those stay the same. Okay. So now if you look, I only need 2 more dimensions, and there's only a couple of dimensions given. So the center point of this arc, it tells me, starts off at 0.375 from the bottom of the train body. And now all I need is to enter in the radius of my arc that's there. And there you go. I have a finished train body, fully constrained. No height is given for the sides of these legs, but it's calculated from knowing this distance here, and then knowing from here to here, which is the radius of that arc.